If your Epic Games Launcher download speed is stuck at 0, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that can get your downloads moving again. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, but the good news is that the first fix is often the one that works. We're going to start with the simplest steps first, and by the end, you should have a much better chance of getting your download running normally again. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games Launcher and look at the download that is stuck at 0. Before doing anything complicated, the first thing you should try is pausing the download and then resuming it. This may sound simple, but it can refresh the connection and force the launcher to reconnect to the Epic servers. So click pause, wait a few seconds, and then hit resume. In many cases, that alone is enough to kick the download back into motion. If the speed is still stuck at 0 after that, the next step is to restart the Epic Games Launcher completely. Close the launcher fully, not just the window, and make sure it is no longer running in the background. On Windows, you can also check the System tray or open Task Manager if needed and end the Epic Games process. Then reopen the launcher and try the download again. A fresh restart can clear temporary glitches and help the app reconnect properly. If that still does not fix it, restart your internet router or modem. Sometimes the problem is not with Epic at all, but with your network connection. Unplug your router, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Give it a minute or two to fully reconnect, then reopen the launcher and test the download again. A router restart can clear network congestion, refresh your IP connection, and fix strange download issues that make the speed appear frozen. Another important thing to check is whether you have a VPN turned on. If you are using a VPN, turn it off before trying the download again. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games Launcher traffic, cause routing issues, or make the download speed show as 0 even when the connection is technically active. Disabling the VPN is a quick test, and it often solves the problem immediately. After turning off the VPN, go back to Epic Games Launcher and resume the download again if needed. If the download was already paused, resume it. If it is still stuck, try pausing and resuming one more time after the launcher has reopened and your internet has refreshed. That extra retry can help the launcher reestablish a clean connection. At this point, if your download speed is still stuck at 0, it is a good idea to check whether your internet connection is stable in general. Try opening a website or streaming a video to make sure your connection is working normally. If other services are slow too, the issue may be with your network rather than Epic. But if everything else is fine and only Epic is stuck, then the launcher-specific fixes we covered are the most likely solution. So to quickly recap, the main steps are pause and resume the download, restart Epic Games Launcher, restart your internet router, and turn off your VPN. These simple fixes solve the problem for a lot of users without needing any advanced troubleshooting. The key is to refresh both the launcher and the network connection, so Epic can properly reconnect and continue the download. If this tutorial helped you fix the Epic Games Launcher download speed stuck at 0, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.